Everyone thinks the best-selling spark plugs for the 5.3 Vortec are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? Look a little closer, and you'll find there's a lot more to it than just popularity. Product number 1, NGK3951 Spark Plugs TR55 6-pack. First up, we have the NGK3951 Spark Plugs TR55. Priced at around $20.54, this 6-pack caught my eye because of its solid reputation. If you want reliable performance for your engine, this is worth a serious look. They resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition too, crucial for maintaining engine efficiency. The patented triple gasket sealing process eliminates the possibility of combustion gas leakage, ensuring smooth operation. With a solid rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 5,000 reviews, it's clear that many users trust these plugs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to avoid frequent replacements or performance dips, these plugs deliver reliability. Now, some people complained about the packaging being subpar, leading to some plugs arriving damaged. Here's the thing though, as long as you check them upon arrival, it's not a deal breaker. The performance you get makes it worth the small hassle. This is perfect for you if you need dependable spark plugs without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something fancy or if you prefer premium materials like iridium. For the price, they offer great value. Now, if the packaging issue with the NGK3951 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, NGK3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP8 PCS. Next, let's talk about the NGK3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. At $35.76, it's a bit pricier but has its perks. If you want something that combines longevity and performance, this is definitely worth a look. They resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, similar to the previous model, but the Platinum core adds durability, making them last longer. With a 4.6-star rating from 4,700 reviews, they're pretty popular. Here's why it's a good fit for you. Longer-lasting plugs mean fewer trips to the store and a more reliable engine. However, some users mentioned that they experienced misfires in specific vehicles. Here's the thing though, if your vehicle isn't compatible or has performance issues, it might not be the best match. But for most, they work wonders. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a longer-lasting option that can handle a bit more stress. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or if you prefer copper plugs. The price reflects the quality, so it's a fair deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum durability. Product number 3, NGK3951 Spark Plugs TR55 8-pack. The third pick is another variation from NGK. The 3951 Spark Plugs TR55, this time in an 8-pack for about $26.93. If you want great value and reliability, this is definitely worth considering. Much like our first product, these plugs operate over a wide heat range and resist carbon buildup. With the added benefit of being specified as original equipment, they offer the kind of performance and longevity you expect from an OEM manufacturer. Plus, the 4.7-star rating from around 4,900 reviews showcases their popularity. Here's why this matters. If you want a dependable plug that performs like it was designed for your vehicle, these are a solid choice. Now, some users noticed they had issues with installation because of fitment concerns. Here's the thing though, double-check compatibility with your specific vehicle model, and you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker if you do your homework. This is perfect for you if you want quality without the premium price tag. Skip this one if you're unsure about compatibility or need something with more advanced features. For the cost, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium, the next option might catch your interest. Product number 4, NGK6619 Iridium Spark Plugs LFR6 AIX11 6-pack. Coming in at number 4 is the NGK6619 Iridium Spark Plugs, priced at around $40.70. These are the real deal if you're looking for high performance. If you want the best spark plugs on the market, this is worth your attention. The higher melting point of iridium means they resist wear better than copper or platinum, This plug also features a patented triple gasket sealing process, eliminating combustion gas leakage. With a 4.7-star rating from around 3,000 reviews, they've proven themselves. Here's why this is crucial. If you want to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently, these plugs are a top choice. However, a few users reported that they are more expensive than they expected. Here's the thing, when it comes to performance, you often get what you pay for, and these plugs are built to last. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your engine's performance and longevity. Skip this one if you're just looking for basic functionality. The investment is worth it if you want peak performance. Alright, let's move on to our final product, which offers something a bit different for those who want variety. Product number 5, A Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs 6 PCS. Last but not least, we have the A Premium Iridium Platinum Spark Plugs, available for around $22.59. If you want a great blend of quality and affordability, this is a contender you should check out. These spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, which makes them pretty versatile. They also feature a platinum core for better durability and performance. Here's why this matters. If you need a reliable option that fits various makes and models, these plugs offer flexibility. Now, some users mentioned issues with compatibility, especially with specific makes. Here's the thing though, as long as you verify your vehicle's requirements, you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker for the right buyer. This is perfect for you if you have a range of vehicles, or if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you have a specific performance need that requires a more premium plug. For the price, they provide excellent functionality. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's quickly recap. To wrap it up, we've got the NGK 3951 TR55, the G-Power Platinum, another NGK 3951, the NGK Iridium, and finally the A Premium Iridium Platinum. Each of these plugs has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all cater to different needs and budgets. So whether you're looking for affordability, reliability, or performance, there's something here for you.